Welcome to DeFi Crypto today. Today we're talking about a little update on PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap has been busy and they've updated a few things and they're getting a better rating from DeFi Safety, and I thought that was worth the trouble because it's a major improvement. So we're going to have a little bit of a look at this. So the main page got updated. So now it says that they're used by millions and trusted with billions, which is true. They have about 2 million users. They performed 31 million trades in the last 30 days, and they have about $9.1 billion worth of tokens staked there. And can trade anything, no registration, no hassle, because it's DeFi. Don't you love DeFi? I love DeFi. You can earn passive income. That's the next thing I love about crypto and DeFi. It's earning passive income. And you can win millions in prizes. You got a prediction engine that gave away about $240 million so far. And the lottery has $160,000 in cakes this month. So you can buy tickets and lose your money, and somebody will win, usually not you. Usually someone else wins the ticket. Okay, so that's a nice stuff. Let's have a quick look at the pools. Okay, so the auto cake is at 95% right now. Pretty good if you like to auto cake to get compound interest. If you don't want compound interest, you're at 68%, and you can manually take your earnings out and invest them somewhere else. And then you got all kinds of other pools that you can play with various degrees of interest. The APYs are pretty sensational, most of them. So you can compare that to your bank account in a traditional bank and see, okay, am I making more money here or at the bank? That's your choice. You check it out. All right. So for the rest, you can check these nice features here. You can swap, you can farm, you can pool, you can use the prediction engine, the lottery. You got a few collectibles. Some, if you like NFTs, got these. Wow, we have a few new ones. So you can buy these. This one spins. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, so let's have a look at their new rating at DeFi Safety, which is one of the places I like to check in terms of risk. Okay, I always like to check the risk factors before I invest. Okay, so if I have a lot of websites that tell me, it's risky, then maybe I don't want to put my money there. Now, previously, DeFi Safety rated PancakeSwap at 42%, but now it's 82%. Everything's in the green. That's way better than it was before. So what this means to me personally is that the team at PancakeSwap has made some efforts into improving the safety of the protocol. So they wanted to improve the safety of the protocol. I'm not sure if they went to DeFi Safety and checked things out. Maybe they did, I don't know. But they upped their game quite a bit, okay? And my feeling personally is that, yeah, I can trust this place. The team seems to be active and takes security more seriously. Just to give you an idea, let's compare the score, the current score at the previous score. So if you look, you have the results here. Okay, code and team was at 58%, now it's what, 70%, so that's a big improvement. Documentation was only 14%, as you just saw, now it's 93%. So they really improved the documentation apparently. Okay. Testing at 73, audits at 40%, and access control is at 0. Now check out the new numbers, 60, 100, and 71. So they did work hard, and you know, I congratulate them on working at it. Okay, you know, some people, they don't like reviews about their project, and they say, yeah, I work hard on this. Well, yeah, maybe you work hard on it, but maybe there's room for improvement. And it looks like the team takes this seriously. So congratulations to them. They're getting a pretty damn good score. Also, they got news. If you want to have fun and you want to make some money in cakes, right now on PancakeSwap's Twitter, you can recreate the PancakeSwap logo in your own style using any material and method you want. You can cook some pancakes and design them in the shape of the logo. You can put strawberries on them, whatever you want. And you tweet your image or video of your PancakeSwap logo, and you can win one of the top 3 prizes. You got $1,000, $700, and $300, depending on if you win first, second, or third prize. I think that's fun. So if you're a creative type and artistic, and if you like cooking also, maybe you might enjoy doing this. So that's it for today. Short video. Just wanted to give you guys an update on PancakeSwap. I thought it was a good idea. So if you like this, please like and subscribe this on my channel. We want more people on our channel. Yes, I know. So don't forget, there's a free book telling you my DeFi strategies for making money with crypto and DeFi. And if you don't want to get it for free, you can always go on Amazon and pay for it for $5.99. All right. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.